see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy, if you guys don't know me, or if you guys are new here. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of my day. It's Saturday and I'm off work, so why not? It's already gonna be 2 o'clock. I did get ready, did my whole makeup and everything, just because I need to take a picture. I don't need to, but I want to, because I haven't posted on my Instagram for 2 weeks and I just want a cute picture. So yeah, let's get this day started. Sitting right here thinking of what outfit to wear just to take a cute picture. I currently have this bodysuit on, biker shorts, but obviously I don't want to take a picture in biker shorts right now. The other day we went to the mall and I ended up getting more bodysuit. Sorry, I have them up here. I ended up finding these as well. This one, I got this one in white and then a nude colored one, because you can't go wrong with neutrals, you guys. And they're bodysuits, so they were $8.99. I don't know, I got them in the little stores that the malls have. This one was called the Wave, but for $8 I was like, I can't pass on that. You can never go wrong with these basic shirts. You can wear them with literally anything. You can dress them up or down, so I feel like that's a must for your closet to have. So some of you wanted me to show like updates on how I style like the stuff that I get at Home Goods. This was the bowls that I got at Home Goods. What is this? See, this is why you need to have coasters on wood stuff. I don't know what that is. Anyways, I only have these books here as coffee table books. You can go to their website and you can kind of like sign up, put your your mail address, and then they'll send them to you for free. I didn't know that, so I ended up getting this one, the biggest one, and then I did get the baby one just because I was like, you know what, you just never know if I'm gonna get pregnant, or you just never know. You just never know. But I got this one, which is like the living room type of decor. This one for modern decor. I got an outdoor one, and then the rug one. Yeah, just go on their website and you'll find them. I didn't know it was legit that they were gonna send them, but they actually did send them. My husband was like, how much did you pay for all these books? I'm like, they were free. He does not believe me still till this time, but yeah. And then this is my little dining room area. If you hear the dryer in the background, I'm sorry, I was doing laundry. My mom was here the other day and she was like, ¿Y ese panal de abejas dónde lo compraste? I'm like, oh my god, mom. This is the, I guess, basic that everybody has from IKEA. It was literally under $100, so it's better than nothing. But I got it just because I didn't have anything here. So for the time being, it works. It's cute. It matches the whole vibe here, so whatever. And I just have all of these stuff for the coasters from Home Goods, the candle from Home Goods, and then this little vase from Home Goods, some beads from Home Goods. Everything's from Home Goods, you guys. And then those are from Pure One. I actually want to change the vase that I have here. It just doesn't go, so I'm trying to look for a tall white one to go in this corner. If I do decide to keep it here. And I found the chairs. I only have one, so before you guys ask me why, it's because I got this one for like way cheaper, more than 50% off, I believe, because the regular price was $150 and I got it for $70 because it has some imperfections. I've been wanting this type of style of chairs just so I can look a little bit more modern and not too boho-ish, because that's what it's looking like. But like I'm telling you guys, this was $70. Original price was $150. Where the, like, when you go to furniture stores, they have like a little outlet in the back for things that were returned or that are damaged or whatever. So this one has a couple stains. I'll show you guys right now. Let me just open it. So here you guys can see like a little bit of a dark spot. There were more, well, right here, but you can't really like see them. It's not too bad. And then over here in the back, that one right there, girl, I was about to settle for the IKEA one, but this one is kind of like a better quality, except for this one obviously because this one was on sale. I don't know if it was returned, but you know, obviously if I get it newer, the new one, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna be cleaning up the chair with this Folex product. It's for like carpet. This is what I use for my carpet. So we're gonna try this on the chair, see if it comes off. Basically, you just put a lot of this. And then over here, wherever you see like dark spots, and then you just kind of rub it or massage it with, I guess you can do your fingers, but don't do your fingers. Just grab a towel. Oh my god, this one's dirty. It's okay, not this part. And then you just literally wait for it to dry, but the black spot that was on there is literally gone. You can't really see it, so I mean, I got it for more than 50% off, so why not, you know? It's just like little spots that you can remove on your own. Obviously, if the thing is broken, the furniture is broken, then don't get it. But if it's little stuff like this, just save your money and get it. And then we're gonna wait for it to dry. I only ended up getting one chair. Okay, we went to a couple furniture stores because we are going to start looking for furniture pieces that we want after we remodel, obviously, the house. And we are gonna put tile all over the house. So my husband doesn't want me to like buy any furniture right now because whenever we put it away for them to put the tile, it's not gonna fit and whatnot. I wasn't gonna buy the chair that you guys see over there, but this is you kind of see the vibe a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a modern look because it's looking a little bit too boho-ish for me, but it's still cute. But I ended up only getting that chair because it was for a fraction of the price, just because it had those little stains and it was in the outlets. So yeah, but I made up my mind and I was like, you know what, let me just get those chairs. I was gonna get the IKEA ones, the white ones, but these are a little bit better quality, so I'm just gonna get those, just so you guys know, or like wondering why I only got one. I only got that one for now because it was a little bit more than half off. It only had like 3 stains on it. And yeah, but don't sleep on like outlet furniture because if it's fixable, better to save money on furniture pieces that you were gonna get just because they have like a little stain or whatever. I'm gonna be moving my stuff around. This mirror was over there. I just moved it over here to see if whenever I take pictures and I'm moving here, there's better lighting, but I didn't like the lighting, so I'm gonna be moving stuff around. I am planning on getting like a cabinet type of thing, just so it doesn't look like it's too much stuff. Like, I don't like having a bunch of this stuff. I literally have everything everywhere. I just kind of want to do like a more minimalistic look. So, and then over here, I was prepared for the mess. I just brought this so I can clean the mirrors, and then I don't know where I'm gonna put those baskets because they're full of stuff. Hi, there's me. But I'm just kind of cleaning up this room. I am thinking of putting this over here, but then I kind of want like a blank space for whenever I take outfit pictures. I don't know. And then again, I don't want this mirror over here because this is my background for when I film. So I'm just showing you guys the real messes that it can get. And then this one, I haven't I haven't found a spot for this art piece, but I love it. I think I'm gonna wait till we paint the whole house and see where I'm gonna put it. I'm thinking in one of the restrooms. But anyways, right now I'm gonna see how I'm gonna be changing everything. That was heavy. I'm gonna start cleaning with Mr. Clean Freak. I'm not a clean freak, so I don't know why I have this, but let's do this. Alright, this is how it looks on this corner. I'm not too happy about that desk. I want like just a different desk. This one I ended up getting, it's from IKEA, but I ended up finding it on Marketplace for like $20. This is what I ended up putting on here. I just have my laptop and my planner, a geode, and this basic vase. I mean, it's not basic, but it's really simple. And then this is like the background for my videos. This is why I want to get like a cabinet thing so I can store a bunch of this stuff, like all my bags. I just don't like how it looks, like it's too much going on, you know? And if I get a cabinet, it's just gonna look better, like simple but cute. But yeah, I just have so many changes that I have in mind, but I'm literally waiting for tile so I can start making this office, studio, beauty room into how I want it. I almost forgot to update you guys on the chair, but the black stains are gone. It finally dried. See, it's good as new. Let's see the back one. It's gone. The black spot that was there. You can kind of see it a little bit damp, but for the most part, there's no black spots anymore.